Today we're going to show you how to execute incline dumbbell close press. You're going to need an incline bench. You want to set it to about 45 degrees. Not all benches are going to have numbers on them, so some you're going to have to approximate. You also want to set up the front of the bench to the highest pin. On this bench, it's the third pin. When you first sit down, you'll notice that with your feet on the ground, your back is arched. We want to protect our lower back, so we're going to lift our feet up and dig our belly button into the back of the bench. So I want you to find your chin and your sternum. Right in between here is where we want to bring the dumbbells on the negative. At the top of the movement, we want to make sure that we're contracting our upper pec and we're keeping our elbows nice and tight, pressing the dumbbells together throughout the whole movement. You can really see here where I'm bringing it pretty close to my chin, but it is still above my sternum. So that was incline close press. You want to make sure that you're pressing those dumbbells together throughout the whole movement, and at the top your elbows stay nice and tight. This is going to really target into our upper chest, right where our collarbones come down. Hit the like button down below if you like the video, leave a comment. If you have any questions or concerns, hit subscribe up here, that way you'll get notified when more videos come up. Alright, thanks for watching.